Hello guys, and to begin with Kotlin, what we have to do, what is required is first of all you have to install the JDK. So JDK is Java Development Kit. So I'll search here JDK, and from here you can download uh, whatever JDK is needed for your system. And there's the link. I can also provide you with the link, so you have to download the latest version of the JDK. And another thing I'm going to do is I am going to perform programming on a IDE, which is what is IDE? IDE is basically an environment where you will do the programming thing, like Notepad is also a kind of IDE. So I'll do the programming on IntelliJ IDE. So this is IntelliJ IDEA, and IntelliJ IDEA is developed by JetBrains, and this is by so far this is the best IDE ever I have seen for Java or Kotlin or Android. So if you know about Android development, then Android Studio is also based on IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the second thing. And when you will download the JDK and IntelliJ IDEA, what you have to do, you have to just start the IntelliJ IDEA. And I have already downloaded this, so this is how it will look. You can download the community edition or ultimate edition. There are two editions available, so I'll prefer you to download the um, community edition. So what you have to do, you have to go to configure, you have to go to plugins, and here you can see there are a lot of plugins. You have to go to Kotlin from here, and you have to press the install button. So I have already installed this Kotlin because I am working on this language, and you have to do the same thing. So this is how it will work. And once you install this, then you can press OK, and you will move to this screen. Then you have to create a new project, and you have to give it a name. So you will select here Kotlin Java, not Kotlin JavaScript Experimental. So I have multiple languages. So what you have to do in the bottom, you can see that there is a use library. So I have selected Kotlin Java runtime already. If you haven't see this Kotlin Java runtime, then you can create from here. So I'll press the next, and I will give the project name. So I'll name it Kotlin demo, just for the name. So this is how I will finish it, and I'll close it. So it will take few seconds to perform the initialization process, and here we are. So what this is the basic installation part. And if you have done everything, then you must be knowing that you have to now start the real programming. So if you have any kind of problem, then you can comment here anytime in this video, and I'll guide you through this Kotlin setup. So this is all from this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial.